My name is Ashton.
My name is Ashton.
And this is Veiled Doll's Kitchen.
And this is Veiled Doll Kitchen, where we be cooking you good recipes.
That's right.
From mine to yours.
From my home to yours.
From my home to yours.
That's right. And what you gonna be making today? A delicious
salad.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on pause. Now, what we gonna be making today?
Delicious salad.
Delicious, healthy salad.
I was just about to say.
Okay. All right. So you want to tell them? We're gonna bring the camera down. We're gonna tell them what we got. Okay. We're gonna zoom it in. Just a crumb here. Okay. So we're gonna tell them what we got here. We got some spring mix salad, right?
And a plate.
No, we don't need the plate. All right. Tell them this is spring mix salad.
Spring mix salad
and we have some tomatoes. Vine tomatoes.
And
we have some, what's that? Plum, half a plum cut up half a plum cut up in slices.
And blueberries.
And blueberry, that's right. And over here, what we got there?
Cheese.
And what kind of cheese is that?
Taco cheese?
No.
Taco
what kind of cheese is it?
White.
No. Think about it. It's white cheese. Okay, well, we're gonna take all day. So say this is Parmesan cheese, shredded Parmesan cheese. So tell them. Shredded chopper bun. No, shredded. Shredded. Parmesan cheese. There you go. And what we have right here? Turkey.
Turkey sandwich.
We have turkey. Roasted turkey. And mesquite turkey. And a few bacon pieces.
You cut them up?
Yeah, we break them up in pieces. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna just start with our tomatoes. Just throw our tomatoes in there, like so. Okay. Just like that. You can put them in there pretty if you want to.
Why don't cook no more?
Huh?
Why don't cook no more?
Why you don't cook?
No, I mean why I don't cook no more.
Hold on. So we're just gonna throw these in there like this. So tell the people you'll see them later.
I'll see you later.
Say I gotta go home.
I gotta go home.
And I'll see you next time at Veiled Doll's Kitchen. Alright. Okay, Ashton's leaving the scene, so I'm gonna have to finish up his little project. So we're just gonna throw the tomatoes in here like so. Just like that. Just like that, okay? That's how we're doing it. Alright, we'll take our cheese, sprinkle a little of that cheese in there. Just like that. Take out a little turkey and stuff like that. We're just going to sit that in there. We're not going to use all of it, but we're going to use enough of it. Alright? So we got our bacon. Put our little bacon in there. We got some blueberries. Just going to sprinkle those in there. We got our plums that's been sliced. Just going to throw those in there. Just like so. enough right there. It's very healthy for your digestive system. I'm gonna eat these up. Just like that. Drink me a little bit more tea. And there's it. Quick video. Simple. That's your healthy salad right there. Alright, you can put it on the plate, you can put it in the bowl. However you want to do it, that's how you do it. That's how I'm going to do mine. Do yours the way you want to do yours. See you guys next time in Vel Dog's Kitchen. And don't forget to hit that bell to be notified anytime I upload another delicious recipe. Guys, give me a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't did it already. And I'll see you guys next time, where I'll be bringing you restaurant quality foods or better in a minute.